Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Parasitic flatworms have complex life cycles, and we need to analyze gene expression data from Figure 2 to find the best claim about gene Z. Look closely at Figure 2 to see the results of the gel electrophoresis. You will notice two distinct bands appearing in the adult stage column for gene Z transcripts right now. The legend explains that these bands represent mature mRNAs of different lengths. Since the bands for the adult stage show equal intensity, it indicates that both mRNA sizes are equally present. This visual evidence directly supports the claim that adult stages produce equal amounts of two different mRNA sizes, making option D the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush by checking the legend and trust given data for success.